Now I will cover and let boil. I currently have it on high, the max heat, and it is boiling. As you can see, it's losing its red color, and that's what you want. You want it to be white. You want the color to leave the petals and go into the water. Now at this point, what I'm going to do is put it on low, and I'm going to let it simmer for a while. Now it is simmering down. You can see that the color is mostly gone at this point. All right, as you can see, I have a little bit of water. I only use 1.5 cups of water. Rose water. Now I didn't use cheesecloth, which would have got all the fine pieces out. You can see it here that from not being drained good enough, it stopped up my spray bottle. Yesterday I used 3/4 cup of dried rose petals, and I used 1.5 cup of water. I boiled it and let it simmer. I strained it with a regular strainer. That regular strainer left pieces of rose petals in here. So today I'm going to use this cheesecloth and strain it and re-pour it in the bottle. Have it. Perfect rose water. The only thing different next time, I would use more rose petals and more water to fill the bottle up.